Hey guys, welcome back to JJ Vlogger, and this is the second day of our Adventurous Europe trip, and today we're going to be exploring the Black Forest in Germany. Hope you enjoy! Hey guys, so after checking out of our apartment and having breakfast, we are finally here, our main destination after a 4-hour drive, here in Germany. And we're here at the House of Black Forest Clocks. Truly beautiful. This is the world's largest cuckoo clock. It stands at 15 feet tall. And look, we were able to see the bird come out of the cuckoo clock. Hey guys, so after visiting the world's largest cuckoo clock, we came here to the Triberg Natural Park, and we went to one of the biggest waterfalls in Germany, and it was so nice. The air was so refreshing and you could feel the water on your face. We also walked down the natural trail, and it was really, really relaxing, and you really appreciate the nature around you. So you can come and enjoy it with me. So this is what we've been waiting for this whole time in Black Forest. Black Forest cake. That is amazing. So we've just finished our Black Forest cake, and now we found this dish that I found out on a game on Roblox, and it's called Schnitzel. It's a special dish from Germany. So it looks like this is pork. So I'm gonna try a bite. That's very good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part 3. I'm really enjoying this trip, and I hope you guys are as well. So this is JJ Vlogger signing off. Bye!